Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and navigating to the layout XML or styles. XML where the text view lives. You want the file visible so edits are immediate. Once open, identify the element ID you will change. Decide how you will supply the color, hard-coded hex for quick tests, and at color resource for reuse, or a theme attribute for consistency across the app. Make sure build syncs and the editor shows design preview before continuing. Now change the text view color either directly in XML or from code. In XML add Android, text color with a hex or at color reference, this instantly updates the preview. If you prefer reusable design, add the color to res/values/colors. XML and reference it. Alternatively, from an activity or fragment, use text view. Set text color with context compat. Get color to respect theme compatibility. Once done, rebuild or finish by centralizing the color when appropriate. Put it in styles. XML or your theme to apply across multiple views, then set that style on the text view. Make sure to use the layout inspector and the design preview to confirm what actually renders on device. If the new color doesn't appear, check for higher priority attributes, view-specific overrides, or theme inheritance masking your value. Also verify you rebuilt the project and cleared caches if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.